Srimad Bhagavad Gita opens with what? The first chapter is the chapter of war and the sorrows of Arjuna. Arjuna Vishad Yoga. Every chapter is known as yoga. So 18 chapters all combined, it becomes a universal gospel told by the Lord, Sri Krishna. Krishnastu Bhagavan Soyam. He is the Lord incarnate in the form of a man. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirvavati bharatah abhyuthana adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya tadishkitam dharma sansthapanarthaya shambhavami yuge. He has come down to preserve the justice. Corruption is to be annihilated. And his incarnation as Lord Krishna, he has simply two aims. That is, to save the noble people and to kill the demons. सिर्फ दो ही मकसद होता है, खल को मारना, दंड देना और साधु को रक्षा करना. So, in the battlefield, when Arjuna sees all his opponents, there is Pitamaha Bhishma, there is Acharya Drona, his guru whom he loves much, Pitamaha Bhishma. And there are father-in-laws, son-in-laws, there are many brother-in-laws, there are many people who are against him. And they have come to fight with them. And if he has to win, he has to kill these people. He is a noble soul, Arjuna is a very noble soul, a very simple soul. For that only, he has become close to the Lord. He has become the friend of the Lord. So when he sees all the people and thinks of killing them, he is in trouble and tension all around. He says, Krishna, I have to kill these people. What for? For the sake of my empire, for the kingdom. And I don't want it. If I have to kill these people for the kingdom, I don't want it. I do not want kingdom or enjoyment. So this starts the depression, and Arjuna goes to the depression. Very honest man, very noble soul, he has become a friend to the Lord. So he says, Krishna, I can't fight here. Arjuna gives two arguments. First, I have to kill my kith and kin, my family members, and I have to kill my friends. So दो ही पाप आ जाता है, कुल को नाश करना है और बंधुओं को हत्या करना है. ये जो दो severe sins, it has these sins can never be cured. For those two sins, there is no prashchit. There is no prashchit for these two severe sins. So he went to the depression. And Lord Krishna, who is the Almighty, he says, Arjuna, Lord tells him about Swadharma. Swadharma, your own faith, religion. You mean dharma in our Sanatanic view of life, it's not religion. It's not even faith. Dharma, dharat iti dharma, which congregates, which binds the society altogether. This is the Sanatanic aspect of life, Hinduism. So, Swadharme nidhanam seya paradharmo bhayabha. Lord Krishna says, you are a Kshatriya, you are a Rajput, your Swadharma is to fight the war, and you can't avoid it. Again Krishna says, you don't lose anything, Arjun. Hatova prapsasi swargam jitvava bhukhyase mayim tasmatu tishtamandeya yuddhaya kritanishchaya. Yuddh ladna hai. This is the great message to the whole of mankind by Lord Krishna. At any rate, you have to fight, and fight against the corruption, the injustice. Kurukshetra, which is in Haryana, that has become Dharmakshetra, to establish justice. So it has become a place of justice, to get justice through war. And justice can never be arrived without war. Peace कभी नहीं आ सकता युद्ध के सिवा. The only way open to fight it out and get peace. So, in this context, Lord Krishna also says, I have killed these people before. Nihata purvameva. I have killed already these people. Nimitta matra bhava sabhya sachin. Hey Arjun, you become the means to achieve the end. That is to accrue justice on earth, for which I have my own commitments. So, when Lord tells 18 yogas, the Karma Yoga, the Jnana Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. Karma, Lord says, Karma, Jnana is better than Karma, and Bhakti is better than Jnana. So, the best is Bhakti Yoga. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja aham tvang sarva papebhyo mukhaisami. Aham tvang sarva papebhyo mukhaisami. Ma sucha. I can redeem you of all sins. I can give you moksha if you surrender unto the lotus feet of the Lord. So this is never, bigotry or communally. It's the Hindu way of life. It's the Sanatanic view of life. Sanatan is which has neither a beginning nor an end. So this gives the Sanatanic aspect of life, daya, mercy, kshama, sobriety, meekness, amicable solutions. So these all conclude Pitru Devo Bhava, Matra Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. All these, they accrue to the whole of Sanatan. So this is never, Sanatan is a way of life. Sanatan is not only a faith, it's a way of life given by the Lord to the mankind. Sanatan was before, Sanatan is now, Sanatan is after. It is a perennial spring flowing. So it's a universal gospel told by the Lord for the whole of mankind. Gita is the essence of all Vedas, Upanishads, Samhitas. And the cream of Sanatan is written in Gita in 700 slokas, given पार्थो वत्सा सुधीर भोक्ता भगवान ने दिया है. So Gita is the total whole of life. It's a universal gospel telling to the world, to the whole of mankind, Siyawar Ramchandra Ki Jai.